What are you going to do now? Samus has been pulling things off the fridge this morning. And now he's trying to figure out how to get up high enough to pull the stuff that I moved up to the top. And sometimes he can get up that high. Here we go. We'll see how high he can get. I better put this down so stop shaking. You didn't get it. You didn't get it. When he gets frustrated, maybe he'll go back and do it again. Sometimes when he gets frustrated with it and can't reach anything, he'll just get up on his back legs and chew on the fridge handle. Looks like he's going to do another attempt. What are you going to get? What are you going to aim for now? We don't know. Pretty good aim, but that's a pretty strong magnet. It's not as easy to grab, is it? No. Huh. I'm just going to go over here and chew on the fly swatter, because that is what I do. That's another thing I do when I'm frustrated, because Susan foils my attempts at fun, is I go and chew on the fly swatter. Did you get your foot stuck? Okay, good. I was afraid you got your foot stuck. I'm going to chew on this fly swatter, and I will just show everyone. And that's better than the metal cupboard doors in the bathroom. That's another thing he's been chewing lately when he gets frustrated. He comes in there and chews on the door handles in the bathroom. Okay, I guess that's about it. I guess we're done. This will go on for another few minutes till he decides to try another tack.